the limestone beneath your feet was once a living seafloor. Ancient sea creatures built their shells from calcium pulled straight out of the ocean. They died. They sank. Millions of years of pressure turned them to stone. Then the seas retreated, the land rose, and rain began to fall. Slightly acidic rain. And that rain has been quietly dissolving those ancient shells ever since. Right now, beneath roughly 15% of Earth's land, water is carving rooms out of the deep dark. The ground isn't solid. It never was. Like and subscribe to 101 Sleepy Earth Facts. New video every night.